Friends, my name is Anil Walse Patil. Today we are discussing on very new topic, unique topic which will helpful to us in our life. Name of that topic is whatever happens in our life, we are only responsible for that. And that incidences are for our betterment, for our new journey, for our rebirth. Whatever happens in our life, we give blame to others like boss, family members, governments, etc. Lots of things are there. But I want to tell you that these incidences are happen in life. It is for your betterment, it is for your new journey, new birth. From few examples, we will discuss how rejections, failures are important in our life so that our new birth became. These examples are, first example is that if Anandibai Joshi and Gopal not lost their first baby because of lack of medical services, medical treatments, we never get the first lady doctor of India. After that, second example is that if Dr. Abdul Kalam is not failed in their pilot interview, his dream was that to become a pilot. If he not fail in that pilot interview, we don't get our missile man, our scientist of India. One more example is that if Mahatma Gandhi is not thrown from that train, we also don't get Mahatma to our country. There are so many examples. One more example I want to share with you that if Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is not failed in his radio interview because of his voice, he was about to go back to his native place, but by destiny he got one movie and we get millennium of our Bollywood industry, millennium actor. From this example, we can understand that these are big tycoons, but in our day-to-day life, we also go from lots of these rejections, lots of these insults. We should keep in mind that all of these rejection, insults are our betterment. From these instances, we should learn something. Hope you that from all this discussion, you will able to get why rejections, failures are important in our life. It is betterment for our life. Universe, God, destiny purposefully put these incidences in our life so that our newborn we can born new. Hope you all you get something new from this topic. Whatever happens in our life is because of you and it is for our betterment. We will meet in next topic with new subject. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.